video, I'll be testing a new feature in Wondershare Filmora called AI Extend. So let me first add some video or image into the timeline. So let's go to stock media. Let's pick something that is trending. Let's try, okay, a landscape background. Let's use this. Put this in the timeline. It's downloading the content. Okay, so this is the video. Put it on the timeline. It's downloaded. Okay, that's done. Now this is the button you select to do the AI extend. So it extends the video. So let's increase this and it will extend it by another 8 seconds. So let's see what it does. Now you can add the prompt here to describe what you want to tell it to. So let's put in here, add a whale jumping from the water onto the boards, and then have birds flying in the sky. So you got the option here for camera movement. So you can do like a few different options here. Static shots, truck left, truck right, pull out. I'm gonna do push in. Now, as you can see, this will use 500 AI credits. So every time you use the extend feature, you'll be ending up using 500 credits. So let's see what happens now. It's going to generate. So it's going to take a little while. Looks like it's going to be using VO3 as the model to generate the new extended video. Now also keep in mind that every time you press the generate, it will use up the credits. So just keep that in mind. So it's got the agree, yes, you're gonna agree, got an option. And in order to check the progress, you just go up here, go to the task list, and then you'll see that it's up to 40% at the moment. So we'll give it a little bit of time to do its thing, and then let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so now that's done. You can tell that it's done, but now it's 100%. You can see this video that has been extended. And also if you go to the task list, that's also been completed. So if you go here, completed, video extend. Okay, let's play this now. Let's see what it produced. Okay, so that's the original video. And now this is the extend bit. Oh, look at that. A whale's just coming up with a bird. Oh, it looks really awesome. What? Amazing. So as you can see, it's a really good feature to have. As I said, make sure you get enough credits. Go to your account, upgrade your account, and add more AI credits. Hope this video helped. If you want to generate more videos like this, or if you need any help, just leave a comment and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.